What's up, everyone? I'm back again. We got another train coming. Got Norfolk Southern coming down the CPK St. Line. Alright, here they come. Got a wave. So there was a manifest that went through a little while ago. They were on a siding, they got stuck in the snow. Sorry guys. Voice got a little raspy there. So these guys were asked to go a little bit slower because of that. They're talking about they may have to back the train up, so that'll be interesting to see if they do. Lots of freaking crews today. I think I see the end of the train coming right now, actually. Yep, here comes the end of the train. Alright, that was a good one. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you later.